This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tricia Schatzberger. Well-maintained move-in ready, 4-bed 2.5 bath 2200 plus square feet pool home on a lake. No CDD and low HOA. Open floor plan with lots of natural light. Formal dining room and living room. Family room and a bonus/game room. Chef's kitchen with 42 inches cabinets, lots of counter space, kitchen island and stainless steel appliances. Master bedroom ensuite with 2 walk-in closets, dual sinks, garden tub and a separate walk-in shower. Enjoy Florida living with your own private heated pool under a large screened-in patio. Fenced-in yard but not blocking the amazing tranquil view of the huge pond. Lots of space beyond the pool for entertaining and other extras. Both roof and AC are in great condition. Home shows beautifully. Located within easy access to I-75, hospitals, restaurants, premium outlet mall, Wiregrass Mall, and great family entertainment. For more information, review